Hello everybody, hello.
He just woke up from a nap, so forgive him.
Sorry guys,
So
sorry, I just
lazy
wake up
Sunday.
from a nap. It's Sunday, so what I do Sunday, I wake up, I eat, and I go take a nap. That's what I do, and I drink for lunch, and I go take a nap. But anyway, I'm very excited to be here with you tonight. And first of all, I want to thanks to West Home to just organize this beautiful event, and we're going to cook their beautiful grill. We're going to do a grill Wagyu steak tonight with sauce au poivre and Boston lettuce and Dijon vinaigrette and a good apple tart. First, for everybody who's going to cook with me tonight, make sure to preheat your oven at 375 now. 375.
375.
No, they understand.
You think they understand you?
Yeah,
375.
375. Okay? We're going to go. So, first we're going to bake the apple tart. Okay? So,
This is for the people who got their packets from Petit Toit.
I want to thank everybody to buy the kit. Thank you very much. And also for all our influencers to be with us today. And we are going to take the big box like this, the white box, and we're going to take up the apple tart. We have an apple tart here. Take up the apple tart.
Give me your box.
There's the apple tart. Also guys, I'm coming, don't go away. I'm going to put the apple tart on the sheet tray. Okay, first. But preheat your oven at 375. 375. And take up the plastic from the apple tart. Okay, I hope you're not shaking like me. Voilà. Oh, that is wrapped very well. Huh? Voilà. Vache! Voilà, vache. Voilà. So, thank you for West Home again to organize this beautiful event. I have a surprise guest today with me. I'm not going to tell you who it is yet. So my apple tart here, voila. I mean, I cannot take it out from the plastic, that's great. Okay, so just be gentle, don't break the apple tart, make sure the apple tart stay in shape. And we're going to put that in the cheese tray. Okay. Voilà. Apple tart on the sheet tray. Land perfectly. So.
Don't technical difficulties. We're trying to be fancy.
We're online, huh?
Yeah, we're on live.
Okay.
Oh, Ming Sai is here. Hi, Ming.
Salut Ming, santé Ming, santé Ming, santé. Bon, okay, we're going to start first. Let's go before we get with the cocktail. We are going to check our box. Make sure you have everybody at the box. Make sure you preheat your oven at 375. Don't forget the apple tart on the sheet tray. Okay, and keep your caramel sauce on the side for later. Okay. Now I want to make sure you have everybody have their box. Okay. That's what we call check mise en place. You have a recipe, so you don't need me. Okay. Voilà. So we have in the box you have a crème fraîche, shallot, cognac. And of course, the beauty, the two pieces of Wagyu from the West. And we have some salt, we have some butter. Oh, look what I find, guys, in the box. Some Manhattan drink. So that we're going to do that in 2 minutes together. Okay, I have a little drink. And you have also have another box with some Boston lettuce and the famous Dijon vinaigrette from Petit Toit. Voilà.
Oh, Ming wants to know where the F his box is.
Ming, I asked you for your address. You never send me your address.
You're afraid of him as a stalker, Ming, I think.
Voilà. So everybody. So first, guys, we are going to start with. Oh, that's Alex.
All right. I think we should maybe invite Lana in.
I'm going to first, guys. We're going to do our cocktail.
We'll do our cocktail before we get our
guys.
guest.
Take a shaker with ice. I'm going to put a little bit ice in my glass. Voilà. And we're going to take the Manhattan. So Manhattan, serve on rocks or shake well with ice. So I'm going to do both. I'm going to put my Manhattan drink in my shaker. Voilà. cover. I'm not a good bartender, guys. I love cocktail, but I'm not a good bartender.
Come on. Shake it. Shake it, shake it like a
do like that,
Polaroid
like that.
picture.
And shake it very well. Voilà. You do like that, you go both sides. Here, here. We shake it. And now we're going to pour in the glass. And we're going to have little cheese together. Pour in the ice. Wow, beautiful color. Voilà. So I just want to wish everybody a santé. Thank you very much for being with me and West Home tonight. And it's going to take time now to invite my good friend Lana to be alive with me. So I'm going to invite my friend Lana to be with me alive.
Lana.
Oh, that's strong. Wow. That's strong. You guys could really going to get so drunk with that. Oh my God. That's a drunk cocktail. Wow. Lana, she's here.
Lana, we're trying to get Lana on the line. Where are you, Lana?
So in the meantime, guys, when your oven is at 375, put the apple tart in the oven, okay? We're going to put the apple tart in the oven. My oven is at 370 now. We're going to put the apple tart in the oven. Voilà, voilà. Casey, put the timer. I don't forget.
Yeah, how long?
I don't know. Just look at the recipe. Okay, that's it. You have a recipe. I mean, it's for what? I mean, you know.
I don't know. What is the recipe?
So, santé, guys. I'm waiting for my friend Lana. She's probably drunk now. I don't know what she's doing. She's here?
No.
No?
Lana.
C'est parfait. C'est parfait.
Lana, your fans are waiting for you.
Alors, les enfants, my God, we're busy day today. We're busy day cooking together.
Lana, Lana. Lana.
Bon. Alors, I hope you have everything in front of you. So first, we're going to do a mise en place. So the crème fraîche, shallot.
Okay.
The cognac. You're late. Do a mise en place. So
Am I live?
Yes.
butter.
How come I don't see you here? Oh, there I am.
Voilà, butter, guys. We're checking everything. Our lettuce. Our sauce.
Yes.
We're good.
Okay, so
What's
but now
the
there's
food
different
like
flavors.
that?
That's Lana is there.
That's Lana, but she's so noisy. How many people share with the house?
Ludo!
Lana, are you alone or with some friend?
No, I'm with the film crew. We were having technical difficulties.
Oh, my film crew is beautiful. They're great, man. They're amazing. My crew is amazing.
Your crew is amazing.
Yeah, I mean, yes.
I
yeah,
got a
thank you,
head
guys.
start. This is the
How
last
about the crew of Ludo? We are good, guys. Woohoo!
I'm very
Lana,
excited.
did you
Thank you
preheat
for
your
having
oven?
me.
Lana, did you preheat your oven?
No.
Did you not listen to
I
me?
thought about it, and then I thought, should I not jump ahead?
This is
$3.75 for your tart.
$3.75 for the tart, guys. Did you make
Okay,
your
no, then I'll
cocktail?
do that again.
It's here, maybe.
Okay, I'm turning it on. 375. Voila.
Voila.
Voilà, very good. Okay, you look beautiful.
Thank you. Merci.
Nice. So you're over at 375. I want to thank you to everybody to join us today, to all our influencers and for everybody who buys a cake today. I'm very happy to be here tonight with you, and we're going to make a beautiful steak au poivre with the Boston lettuce, Dijon vinaigrette, and the apple tart tonight, all together, okay? So first, make sure all of you have your box with you. Lana, you have your box with you to dance.
I have my box.
What are you drinking? You're drinking champagne?
Wait, I can't hear him.
He asked if you're drinking champagne.
I am drinking champagne, but I can open some wine.
Did you make your cocktail? No.
No, but I
Okay,
can make
you
a
can stay
cocktail.
with champagne,
All
it's
these
fine.
fun.
You can stay with champagne. It's okay.
Oh, Lana Ming Sai says hello.
Hi.
You don't know who's Minsai. Nobody knows Minsai. Nobody knows Minsai. I mean,
I don't know who that is. Do I?
Do I?
What she say?
She says, I don't know. Do I? Ming, you just got called out, buddy.
Hey, Min.
It's so hard to
Sinon,
hear.
chef Ludo.
I can't hear anything.
Okay, put your apron. Perfect. Take up your box. Okay, you have your box with you?
Oui. Wait, the box with this very handsome man.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna have to tape it here.
You have a beautiful hair today. Who's did your hair was always like that? Beautiful your hair.
Christian, but he left. He had to leave. One of your dear friends of mine.
He left.
So now I don't have anyone to eat with me.
Oh, mais bah, come here, just come here. Alex, we're good.
I told him I'll bring it to him once I'm finished. I'll drive it over to his place.
Open your box. Make sure you have everything in front of you. So,
Okay.
oh yeah, no, I don't know why they put that. Yeah, no, it's okay.
I have the Manhattan. Wait, I'm supposed to drink this.
The Manhattan. You're good. There's the Manhattan, je fais conduire mise en place. There's the crème fraîche, the shallot, the cognac. Ouais, it's good. So, that is Wagyu beef. Wagyu.
Wagyu?
So, you know, Wagyu is amazing. It's better than beef. Okay, it's more fat, more marbling, and way more flavor. So, take up, voila. That's the Manhattan.
Okay, I have. Now, am I supposed to put this on ice and drink it?
No. The what? The Manhattan?
Yes.
Yes. Normally, you put in the shaker, and you put ice and you shake it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shake.
Shake it, sweetie.
I'm gonna shake it. All right, wait for me. I'm trying.
Don't everybody, we're waiting for Chef Lana to be ready before we start to cook, guys. Everybody, don't forget to put your apple tart in the oven.
Shake it well with ice
And we're going to...
and strain it. Okay. Only nudes.
Where is she?
She's.
I'm gonna try to shake this. I don't know how to... This is bad. I'm gonna make a mess.
Yes.
I can't shake properly.
Guys, hold on. I need to come to organize this fridge.
Hey.
I need to come to organize your fridge, Anna.
It's enough.
Voilà.
Okay.
Yum.
You good? Voilà, yes, a good
she got
shake. Huh?
She got it, so give her
Okay.
a cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, salud, to your health.
Thank you for being here, Lana.
Thank
Really
you.
appreciate it. Thank you very much for being here.
I opened this hours ago. Okay, so let's play. What do I do?
Santé, everybody. Santé, everybody.
Santé, everyone.
Santé, everybody. Bon, I just want to repeat. Let's go focus. Everybody preheat the oven at 375. When the oven is at 375, let's go put the apple tart in the oven.
For the people who got the kits.
For people who get the kit. And people who got the kit, what they do? They're just watching?
They're just watching that
They're
part?
just watching, okay, that's it.
They're here to watch the Ludo Lana show.
Let's go set it up.
I think this.
I think after it's preheated.
Yeah, it's pretty heated now.
Well, Lana, are you working on your show? You working on something now? I want to see you on TV.
Okay. Wait, am I working on something now?
I mean, no, I'm talking about your life. Are you working on a new TV show or movies or something like that?
Yes, I'm working on a new TV show called Why Women Kill for Paramount Plus with Mark Sherry.
Oh, exciting.
It's
Congrats.
very exciting.
Congrats.
Why
Thank
women
you.
kill.
You're going to love it. It's set in 1949. It's very sexy.
Okay, what's she doing now?
She's putting her tart in the oven.
Okay, she'll put the tart in the oven. I'm going to wait for Lana a little bit. In the meantime, everybody can, I'm going to wait for Lana.
Yeah, just wait for her. She's putting her tart in the oven.
Why don't you put anything underneath or just as is?
Well, take it off the plastic and then put it on the sheet tray.
Right.
Yeah, Lana, you can do it, Lana. Lana, did you cook a lot?
Yes, all the time.
That's why I was not sure. But you have a beautiful kitchen. Just take off the plastic. Don't put the plastic in the oven.
No,
No plastic.
How's that?
That's good.
He said
Wait,
thumbs up.
upside down? Hold on, wait. Are the apples on the top?
Are you doing
Yes.
a tarte tatin?
Yes.
Okay.
The apples are on the top.
Okay.
Okay,
Sorry.
just make sure.
It's hard to tell through these little screens.
I know it, but the oven's really hot, so can I put it in?
Yes.
Yeah, vas-y.
And
Put
it's
in the oven. Bravo. Very nice. That's good. In the oven.
You're gonna time it?
Your assistant.
I have assistants.
Smell good. Smell good. Okay. So now. Quiet here. Everybody's going to take a bowl now. We're going to put our salad in the bowl. You're going to take the. She's with me now.
Yeah.
Take the little box and put your lettuce in the bowl.
Okay, the salad. Now, Ludo, I'm gonna make for 2 people. So do I use all of this?
The
Yes.
what?
All the salad.
Yeah, also salad is good. You can give to your producer.
Okay, perfect. The crew's eating with me.
The crew's going to eat too, oh yeah.
Crew's eating.
So put your salad in the bowl.
Okay.
Everybody who's cooking with me, take a bowl, put your salad in the bowl. Like that, the salad is ready to be dressing. We're not going to dress the salad now. We're going to dress the salad the last minute. But just, we're going to get ready. Okay, so just put your salad in the bowl like that. Voilà.
Voila.
Somebody smoke here?
You need a lighter?
Oh, there's only 3 of us. Well, really 1.5. Lola.
Voilà.
Voila.
That's a very special sauce, Lana. That's a Dijon vinaigrette from Petit Roi. I will give you the recipe for everybody. Shallot, white wine vinegar, mustard, grapeseed oil, salt, pepper. That's it. That's it. That's what we do in France. You can shake it very well. Shake it very well, like the cocktail. Voilà. So everybody's ready to cook.
Month.
How long is the live?
An hour total. You have.
Okay.
Let's go.
Ça va, j'apprécie.
No, you're
So, voilà. Try it. Take a spoon. Try the sauce, Lina. Cooking's about to try.
My finger, because I'm the only one eating, so I could do that. Here, I'll try it with a spoon. I'll be proper. Mmm.
Good, huh?
So amazing.
Amazing, huh?
Mmm.
Just simple vinaigrette, but okay. Now, everybody, let's go focus. Lina, we're going to now open our steak. We're going to take off the steak from the plastic. Okay.
And I just want to confirm this is you need a cast iron, so this is good, right?
Look at her pot.
Oh, look at it. I don't see this.
You don't see her here.
I think you couldn't see it.
We're opening the steaks.
Open the steak, Lina.
Taking the stick.
Take a scissors or take a.
Yeah, I can't do it with the nails. I'm gonna cut it.
Totally have somebody who just keeps joining your live. It's so creepy. This creepy guy in a pink hat keeps just joining the live. It's so weird.
That's my friend Alex.
Who did, Christian?
Huh?
Who just joined the live?
I don't know. Some creepy guy with a pink hat. We keep accepting it, and then he just goes away. I don't know.
I know it's a joke. Okay, come on, guys. Okay, guys.
I can't wait. Yeah.
Oh my God, you're gonna love live TV, right, Lana?
Yes.
Time to listen.
Well, I have 2 things happening. I have a delay on one camera here.
Yes.
And I'm on real time here.
Exactly.
Okay.
All right.
Alors, we're opening the steak now. Everybody open the steak so you can see how the steak is so beautiful. So I repeat myself, this is a Wagyu from Australia, okay, from West Home. Beautiful Wagyu steak. You can see it's a lot of fat, a lot of marble. I mean, just the texture is amazing. It's a very beautiful steak, Lana.
I'm so so beautiful. I've been admiring them. I'm very happy. West Home is very generous. I have 4 fillets. Thank you. 2 here and 2 in reserve.
They're a very nice company.
Very generous. I appreciate
They're the best. I'm using them as a restaurant. You know, I have a concept called Ludo, and we're doing kebab. And using West Home and my concept, it's just amazing. We make amazing kebab with a wagyu steak. Amazing. With a béarnaise butter.
Couple weeks, I'm making a reservation.
But I didn't see you for a long time at the restaurant, Lana. You need to come to the restaurant.
I know, but
Busy,
I was talking, and the girl who did my makeup, her name's Emily. She loves you. She goes there all the time. So all of us are gonna have dinner in a couple of weeks.
Okay, great. Just let me know.
Of course, I'll let you know.
Okay, so we'll have the steak now.
Okay.
We're going to check the tart now. Make sure the tart on beurre.
He put his on a plate if you want
Put it on.
just spicing
Yeah, I
it.
can't see what he's doing.
I know, I'm
Everybody checks the tart. You can turn the...
Wait.
Voilà.
What's he doing? Is he
nothing.
checking the tart?
He's rotated the tart 180 in the oven.
Do I have to
Do
I have to rotate the tart?
Amazing. What is doing? What's doing, Chef Ludo? What is doing, Chef Ludo?
Chef
Okay, now we're going to seasoning our steak. Okay, let's go be serious, guys. Okay, we're going to put salt, a lot of salt, kosher salt.
He's salting the meat.
The salt
Yeah,
on both sides or one side?
both sides. So put kosher, salt and black pepper.
Okay.
Okay, Lina?
Lina.
What is not
I need nudes.
Lina? It's Lina.
Okay.
Lana. Lana, okay?
Oui.
Both sides. So I love to put a lot of salt because you know the meat needs a lot of salt, and also we're going to give us a little bit of the crust on the steak. But you see how the meat is so beautiful. Look at this beautiful red color.
It is beautiful.
This is beautiful. I mean beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay, salt and pepper.
Yeah, salt and pepper, that's it.
That's it.
You know what I put sometimes? I'll show you my secret. I'll show you what I put on my steak sometimes. I put that too on my steak.
What is it?
Garlic salt.
Oh, garlic
Salt,
salt.
I love it.
No, I don't.
He didn't put any on.
Oh, he does. Okay.
He was just showing his
Okay.
secret.
Nice.
I see.
She's good. She's very well. You're very well organized, Lina. It's good.
Thank you.
You're moving very well in the kitchen. Good synchronization.
I'm a Puerto Rican Sicilian woman. I'm very comfortable cooking.
I thought you're Puerto Rican and Italian.
Yes. That's great food on both sides.
It's a great food too, but my God, wow,
Yeah,
the
very
Puerto Rican girl are very
Don't
strong.
piss me off.
And Italian too. My God, it's a lot of character. A lot of character over there. Bon. We have our steak now is seasoning. So make sure you open your jar. Open the jar. Open the cognac. Open the shallot. Open the crème fraîche. Open the black pepper. Open the black pepper, the green pepper. We're going to set up everything. The butter.
This was the pepper I'm supposed to put on here.
Voilà.
I think.
Little spoon for the, put a little spoon over there for the crème fraîche and the butter. Oh, the butter just jumped here. It's okay. Ça va?
Yes.
You there? The tart, we're going to check the tart one more time.
Oh, am I supposed to flip my tart?
Huh?
Am I supposed to flip it? Like put it to this, like move it around?
No, no, just leave it in the oven like that. Just leave it in the oven like that, and we're going to wait just for coloration. Okay, we just bake it like that. We're going to wait for coloration. Voilà. So, we are going to cook the steak.
That's on.
Cook the steak
Oh,
in a saucepan. So, saucepan.
Can I use this?
Show me. No? No.
Or you want something shorter and bigger?
Correct. Yes.
Yes.
Short and big.
So you can use that. Tell me what you have.
Okay, what about either of these?
Mm.
The one on the yes. Yes.
I had a feeling.
You were right.
I was right.
You were right from the beginning.
I was right. I was led astray. Okay, so I'm turning this on.
What are you doing now? Are you clicking?
Comment?
Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
I don't know. Am I supposed to put this?
I think so. Yeah, he's turning his on. You're doing great. You're doing great.
Being that it's like I can barely.
I know.
It's okay.
So now
Okay.
we're going to heat our. Attention la tête. Oh là, oui. We're going to heat our pan now.
I hope you guys are hungry.
Very good, perfect, yeah. Put a little bit of oil or grapeseed oil, something in the pan.
Oil.
Yeah, a little bit. Not that much, not too much. You know why? We don't put too much because the wagyu have a lot of fat. So the wagyu is going to release a lot of fat. So just put a little bit of oil, just a little bit.
So I will need this.
Huh?
Will I need this later?
The what? I don't see, Chrissy. I need help.
The
Okay.
cast iron.
Huh?
Cast iron skillet.
No, she don't need it later.
Okay.
Chrissy's
Oil.
taking-
Just checking that location. Perfect.
It's good. Okay, we're good?
Yep.
Okay. So we're going to heat now. Heat the pan.
Heat the pan.
Let's.
Don't forget to check your. Where is the good? What she's doing with that? Oh, sorry. I don't know. So heat the pan. We're going to heat the pan now. We're going to wait the pan to be very hot. Very hot. So just touch it a little bit with your finger.
I think this might be a better pan.
Tu changes de pan now?
Yeah.
Tu
I
changes?
think that one's better.
Okay. I don't see. Chrissy. I don't see.
Yeah, either one is fine.
Well, this one's non-stick. Does it matter?
Doesn't matter. It's good.
Ludo's using nonstick.
Is he using a non-stick?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because that's just what I have, and I love to use my Le Creuset non-stick. I need to send you some Le Creuset non-stick.
So it doesn't matter non-stick or regular.
No.
It doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay? It's good? What you think?
She's good.
You good, Lana?
Wait.
Okay. When the pan is hot, we're going to add our steak. That's hot enough.
Did I put this on a medium heat?
Yeah, medium. Yeah, go on high. Go on high. We want to make sure your system of fire alarm go on.
Okay, and then I have to put the steaks. I feel like mine's not hot yet.
Okay, so just wait, just wait. Wait to be a little bit smoky. Okay, just a little bit smoky.
Ludo, is this the pepper I'm supposed to put on the steak?
Which one?
No, no. That's for the sauce.
That's later.
That's later. What pepper does she put on the sauce?
Just regular pepper.
Regular pepper.
Okay, I did that already.
Okay.
Okay, let me see. Okay, it's ready.
Hers is sizzling.
Sizzling is good, so let me see mine. Yeah, mine too. Here we go. So now we're going to give a nice coloration to the steak, okay? So we're on a high heat now.